Hi guys, it's Cheryl from Yoga Bellies here, and today I just want to talk to you about pelvic girdle pain, also known as SPD or symphysis pubis. Now this is something that almost 1 in 4 women experience at some point during their pregnancy, and what it actually describes is when the pelvis becomes so unstable that it actually becomes very uncomfortable or even painful in movements, and this has varying levels of severity. So the instability and the corresponding discomfort can actually be felt in 3 places: the pubis symphysis, sacroiliac joints and the hip joints as well. Now the cartilaginous joint at the front of the pelvis, this is the pubis symphysis, and this is where women often describe a very sharp pain, which can be triggered by certain movements like rolling over in bed or walking up and down the stairs, or any wide leg movements as well, okay? Crossing legs, things like that too. The sacroiliac joints as well, this is where the sacrum and the pelvis meet at the back of the pelvis. Now, a lot of women suffer pain in this area when they suffer from pelvic girdle pain, and one of the reasons why it can be really hard to diagnose is because that pain, it can be in any one of these areas, the hip joints too. Do try and be specific when you're speaking to your physio or healthcare provider about where you're feeling the pain, because lumbar pain can often be experienced during pregnancy as well due to poor posture. So moving on to the third area, the hip joints, this is where the legs and the pelvis meet to the side, okay? So you may be experiencing pain in the pelvis and the lower back, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have got PGP. So please, if you are experiencing pain in any of these areas, speak to a physio or your GP, midwife, and get a correct diagnosis. Now, once you have been confirmed as having pelvic girdle pain, fingers crossed it's not that, but if this has been confirmed, then you can come along to Yoga Bellies classes and we can advise you on correct posture, on what to do, what not to do, even give you some sequences to try at home, okay? So be assured that if you're suffering from SPD or PGP, then it is not a problem to come to Yoga Bellies for pregnancy classes. Our teachers are fully qualified to help you with this condition. So first of all, get a diagnosis and then we can help. Namaste.